Good morning class. Today I want to describe about pair of linear equation in two variables for class 10. Exercise 3.4 question number first part 4. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Firstly, I want to describe about form of pair of linear equation in two variables, because you can ask question to me what is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is new for you, so you can ask question very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. It is form of pair of linear equation in two variables. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. You can solve your question by two methods. First, geometrical method. Second, algebraical methods. Geometrical method shows three systems. First, consistent system. Second, inconsistent system. Third, consistent dependent system. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. If a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2, then it shows intersecting line, consistent system and unique solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then it shows parallel line and inconsistent system and no solution. If a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 equal to c1 by c2, then it shows coincident line and consistent dependent system and infinitely many solutions. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Now I want to describe about algebraical methods. There are three types of algebraical methods. First, substitution method. Second, elimination method. Third, cross multiplication method. You can solve your question very easily by the help of substitution method. It is very easy, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. See the word. Pair of linear equation in two variable for class 10. Exercise 3.4 question number 5. Solve the following pair of linear equation by the elimination method and the substitution method. Clear? Substitution method. Question first, part 4. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. It is first equation. And x minus y by 3 equal to 3. It is second equation. You solve equation first and equation second and you find the value of x and value of y. You solve it by substitution method. Clear? Substitution method is very easy. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the given equation. Equations are x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1, and it is equation first. Equation first. Clear? And x minus y by 3 equal to 3. It is equation second. Equation first and equation second is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Here minus 1 and here 3. Clear? By the help of equation second, by the help of equation second, by the help of equation second. Here minus y by 3 You can write it on right side of equal. Clear? Here it become x equal to y by 3 plus 3 by 1. Here minus y by 3. When you write it on right side of equal, then it become plus y by 3. Clear? Here plus sign. You can write it. You can write it here by 1. You can take LCM, or you can take only LCM of 3 and 1. It become x equal to 3. 3 divided by 3. You find 1 multiply y. It become y plus 3 divided by 1. You find 3. 3 multiply 3. It become 9. It become 9. You find x equal to y plus 9 by 3. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. It is your equation second. It is equation second. Clear? Now substituting x equal to y plus 9 by 3 in equation first. Substituting x equal to y plus 9 by 3 in equation first. Clear? Equation first is x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus. Here x by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. It is equation first. Here x equal to y plus 9 by 3. You can write here y plus 9 by 3 multiply 2 because here 2. Clear? Plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. Here 2 3 ja 6. Y plus 9 by 6 plus 2y by 3 equal to minus 1. Here you can take LCM 6. LCM of 6 and 3. 6. 6 divided by 6 you find 1. 1 multiply by y plus 9. It become y plus 9 plus 6 divided by 3 you find 2. 2 multiply by 2y it become 4y equal to minus 1 by 1. You can write minus 1 equal to minus 1 by 1. Now you cross multiply here. Cross multiply. It become y plus 9 plus 4y equal to minus 6. Clear? Here 4y and here 1y. It become 5y equal to minus 6. Here plus 9. You write plus 9 on right side of equal. It become minus 9. Clear? Plus 9 become minus 9 on right side of equal. 5y equal to minus 15. You can cut it. Here 5 1 ja 5 3 ja. It become y equal to minus 3. You find y equal to minus 3. Here minus 3. Clear? You find y equal to minus 3. Now put y equal to minus 3 in equation second. Put y equal to minus 3 in equation second equation here x equal to y plus 9 by 3, x equal to y plus 9 by 3, put y equal to minus 3, it become y, here value of y is minus 3 plus 9 by 3 equal to, you subtract it, it becomes 6 by 3, 3 1 ja 3 2 ja equal to 2, equal to 2, x equal to 2. Hence here you find y equal to minus 3 and x equal to 2. Clear? Hence we find x equal to 2 and y equal to minus 3 when we solve equation first and equation second, by substitution method. By substitution method. Your solution is clear? It is easy? Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Okay.